Right, let's now get into sports news. Kenya's Nancy Chelagat bagged the country's first medal at the ongoing Paralympic Games in Tokyo, Japan, winning bronze in the women's 1500 meters final together with a brother who is her guide. They crossed the finish line in 45 minutes and 58 seconds, which is their season best. The race was won by Mexico's Rodriguez Saavedra, who set a world record.
Jaribu kabisa ya mwisho, bratangu akaniambia hii ni ya mwisho Chela, kick, na nikaki nikafika 200, akaniambia umefika 200, ng'ang'ania Chela, karibu tushika hawa, twende. Nikaenda
nikaongelesha lazima tukue team angalau tukuje na any medal. So last lap nikaona ingawaje tulikuwa tumeluso, but nikaongelesha yeye, so akatia bidii. Nikamwambia bado 400 meters tukafika 300 200, ndio akajikakamua vizuri, akaweka bidii yake.
Eric Kiptos Sang will represent Kenya in the men's 1500 meters T11 final. Despite finishing 5th in his heat, Sang sailed through following a successful appeal after his guide Robert Tarus was ripped from behind. The other representative in the men's 1500 meters heat, Wilson B, was disqualified.
Watu nilisikia tu kama imekanya kwa ukaiti yangu, nikajaribu nilikuwa nafikiri kama watu wanakuja, kumbe ameanguka alipowacha kamba, nasikia amewacha kamba.
What happened is that the guys who were following us, they come and overtake us to come to the second. The one who were following the other guys come immediately, wanted to close us inside the lane. And at that time, we were in a high speed. So they managed to step on me. And thereafter, I fall down.